In front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. You need to begin by holding your device's display and tapping on Customization in the pop-up. Now click on Layout. Select Search Bar over here and tap on No Search Bar at the bottom. Then choose Apply to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, go back to the same settings, hit Layout, tap Search Bar and choose Essential Search or Web Search. When you finished, hit Apply again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!